Hello guys, welcome to another video of React plus VS Code. In this video, we are going to see how you can download and install Node on your macOS. So let's get started. First, before you installing, if you are not familiar with Node and NPM, I'll suggest you please check out my What is Node and NPM video. I'll put a link in the description below. Also, this video is part of my React Basic series, so if you guys want to see the VS Code and React installation videos, there will be a sign on the top right corner. Please check that out.
Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Also like my videos and share this video. Please write a comment below and give your feedback.
Now, let's start our video. So, installing Node and NPM in your machine is easy. But before installing, I'll suggest you to check whether you already have Node installed on your machine or not. Because sometimes when we install an app, it gives us the suggestion of installing Node in your PC. So if you have already Node installed, there is no point in installing it again. So to check whether you have Node installed or not, just open your terminal. So to open your terminal, press Command plus space and type terminal. So to check out your Node version, write node space dash v. Here you can see I don't have Node installed. It's saying command not found. If it shows there is a version number here, that means you don't need to install it. You are good to go. So if you see something like this, Node is not recognized or command not found Node, so that means you have to install Node. So for that, just click on the link that I have provided below. It will take you to the official Node.js page. I'll just search here the Node.js file. Here you can see there are two files. It's the 14.18.0 LTS version. It's the long-term stable version, and there is a latest features version. So for our case, we'll install the latest features one. So click on that. Here you can see the Node v16.10 package. So please click save. So our download has been started. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. So when it's done, we'll go to the next step. After the download is finished, just go to the downloads folder. Here you can see my Node installation package has been downloaded. So just double click on that. There will be a prompt. So the package will install here. Just click continue. It will ask for some permission. Click on continue. Click on agree. So this will take 173.4 MB of space on your computer. So before installation, just check whether you have that amount of space available or not. So next step is to install. You will have to give your password. Click on install software. So the installation is started. So here you can see the package has installed. So click on close. So do you want to move the Node.js installer to the bin? So it is asking whether you want to keep the Node.js installer file or not. So I don't need to. So I'll click on move to bin. Click on OK. So to check whether our installation has been successful or not, let's just click on our terminal. So just check the Node version here. Here you can see we have successfully installed the Node version 16.10.0. Let's check the NPM version also, whether it's installed or not. So here you can see my NPM package also has been installed. That's all for this video, guys. Please like, share and comment, and also click the bell icon for future videos. Please don't forget to check my other videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.